In this video guys, I'll show you what is a cup and handle pattern formation. So here we are seeing here na pababa siya and then it form a formation like this, like that. It's a cup and handle formation. It's a bullish pattern formation wherein kapag na-break niya itong neckline na yan, it will go straight up. So it's not 100% strategy, but you can always watch out for this kind of strategy kasi it's very powerful. So other confluences, it's also in the support and resistance levels here. So yan, kung makikita natin, we are in a resistance zone. And once it breaks, we can always put a buy pattern like this. So it's gonna break up here, and then it's gonna retrace back. Ayan, so dito tayo ngayon kukuha ng entry. Ayan, so also we can put a stop here. Ayan, so since we are on an H1 time frame, we can put our stop here or here, like that. So let's see if it's gonna go up. Let's put a buy here. And as you can see, it goes straight up.